Okay class, so now we are going to study about the future tense. Now we're going to study about the future tense. We have already discussed about the simple present. We have already discussed about the present tense and the past tense, and now we're going to study about the future tense. So future tense is also divided into four parts. That is simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So firstly we are going to talk about the simple future. So simple future sentences are those sentences in which we do not know that like when the action is going to happen, means we are very sure that it will happen, but it is like a prediction कि it can happen also and it cannot happen also. जैसे if I say she will bake a cake tomorrow, means I'm not very sure that she is going to do it or not, but it's like a prediction. जैसे it will snow tomorrow, it will rain tomorrow, means if I am seeing the clouds and I am just simply predicting that yes, rain, बारिश हो सकती है कल, तो it will rain tomorrow, it will snow tomorrow. So simple future sentences में there is generally we use will and shall plus verb का first form. ठीक है, in these simple future sentences we generally use will or shall plus verbs first form. जैसे she will bake tomorrow, or she will cook tomorrow, it will rain tomorrow, I shall help you, like these kind of sentences in which we use will and shall plus verb ka first form. So simple future sentences are generally for making any kind of a prediction in future. So that is your simple future. Now when we talk about future continuous, so in this we use will be, will plus be plus ing form of verb. Okay, in future continuous we use will or shall भी use हो सकता है, will or shall plus be plus ing form of verb. And these are those basically these are those sentences in which the action, okay, whatever action will be there, it will certainly happen in a specified period of time. Means the future continuous is like to say that something is going to happen, but the time is not known to us. Means we don't know that when the action is going to happen, means we do not know the proper time कि tomorrow होगा, या it will happen, like when it is going to happen after 2-3 days or after 4 days, 5 days, whatsoever. We are not aware about the time, but we know that yes, this is something there is that it will happen. Just suppose if I say she will be meeting me, she will be meeting me, वो मुझसे मिलेगी. So means I don't know that when is she going to meet me, but I am certainly sure कि yes, she can meet me. Okay, और it also shows about something, जैसे future continuous वो भी बताता है कोई ऐसा action which has been planned from beforehand only. जैसे कि आपके annual concerts होते हैं, ठीक है, so कोई function होता है, तो definitely you know that this function will happen certainly sometime in future. Just suppose if I say that the Dashera celebration will be continuing next month. Okay, or I can say that they will be holidaying in France next month. Means some event that has been planned, okay, in future, like maybe in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, like that. So that denotes your future continuous, means it has having will plus be plus ing form of verb. Then we will talk about future perfect. Now what does future perfect have? Future perfect generally has your will have plus verbs third form. Means we generally use will have plus verbs third form in future perfect. So it is like a completed action, means we know that this action might have happened. मतलब हमें पता है कि ये action हो चुका होगा in future. We know that this action must have happened and it is like a completed action. और ये आपका जो action होता है आपको पता है कि ये complete हो चुका होगा by the time like when I will enter. जैसे if suppose I say the boys will have returned, the boys will have returned from college by 5 o'clock. मीन्स आई नो दैट ये जो फ्यूचर का इवेंट है ये हो चुका होगा, इट मस्ट हैव बीन कंप्लीटेड. हमें पता है कि कंप्लीट हो चुका होगा बाय द टाइम सम अदर एक्शन इज गोइंग टू अकर. तो इसमें आपने ये देखा कि वी हैव यूज्ड विल हैव प्लस वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म रिटर्न्ड. ओके, या सपोज इफ आई बोलूं, मैं बोलूं द मदर विल हैव कुक्ड, the mother will have cooked food by the time I go home. Means मुझे पता है कि by the time I'll go home my mother will have cooked the dinner. I know this thing and I know कि ये action जो है ये future का action है but ये complete हो चुका होगा by the time some other action is going to occur. और इसको समझने का तरीका यही है कि इसमें will plus have लगा होता है plus verb की थर्ड फॉर्म लगी होती है. सो व्हेन दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस यू गेट, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज योर फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. एंड नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. सो इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस, वी हैव in future perfect continuous we have will plus have plus been plus ing form of verb. इसको इन सेंटेंसेस को आइडेंटिफाई करने का तरीका ये होता है कि इसमें will या shall होता है, have होता है प्लस been होता है प्लस ing form of verb होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से by 2019 Sunil will have been in Australia. By 2019 Sunil will have been in Australia for 10 years. Okay, for 10 years means they have these kind of actions have started, means they have started back, like you can say that they have started already and will be still happening in the future. मतलब ये आपके पहले ही हो चुके थे. 2019 से बहुत पहले सुनील ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रह रहा था, but by 2019 he will complete 10 years and then he will further also be living in Australia only. Means they happened somewhat in past में ही, past से ही वो रह रहा था ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, past से ही रह रहा था. But we know that in future also these actions will happen some or the other way. So this will happen. So in order to identify these sentences, हम ऐसे identify करते हैं. पहली बात तो इसमें will है, plus we are having have, plus we are having been also, and we means will have been in Australia for 10 years. So we have, sorry, you can say in by 2019 Sunil will have been staying, sorry I forgot to put this, will have been staying in Australia for 10 years. तो staying में आप देख सकते हो there is ing. So these kind of sentences make up your future perfect continuous tense.